Okay, so this is what we are facing today. So that Chuck Creepy Road. So this we are facing today. Crazy like what? Easy me. So me dey out the road now, walk out, come see where I go on and buy something. But it's so crazy today. I don't know how we go and make it. Look on the ground. Look on the ground. See? So we have a high CDA time, say 48 hours worth of snow. What I go on after this, I don't know, because the boss done call me and make me know, so let's stay safe. That's why you hear that, you know, say, don't put your foot out. So I say, vehicle them look on this snow and roll by. Can't do nothing. Can't go nowhere. So, I feel like I bear it right here now. Make sure I say, yo, can't go across the road because car come then now, you able to stop. You understand? So I pray this look like I could actually run across the road, but vehicle come and I take no chance. Because if them can't stop, them are going to come bust me over. The truck there. So the truck has spread ice and I scrape the road at the same time. So look, all-wheel drive work well in these times, you know. So I go look at me, I go there for a while, I wait for this light to change. So I have to make sure I'm looking at the way where the vehicle them come from, because if they start slip and slide right now, I don't know how I manage. So I have to go run like, see there, and not even rain or fall, you know. They call it sleet, ice. It come down upon me right now, so I just need to hurry up and get off of the street and get to go back to my yard. Like now change no time soon, I have 17 seconds on that side there. So when it change now, I have to just hustle and run across the road real quick. Slip and slide and all of these things. 3, 2, 1. Now big up on myself everybody, you know, okay, light about to change. You can't stop, you have to go. Come red, give me my go, yes. So my light come on. So I hustle across the street. So to see if I can reach back home before all them eyes are blind, because them are looking at me eye like a big stone. Yes, Rasta! So give thanks me cross back the road and no vehicle no lick me down. Seems for me I go through this little garden. And you look on the ground. See it? Up on the ground. We have CVS right here. It's a pharmacy, gas station, food court, all of that. So I'm just trying to get back inside where it's warm. Because right now, can't deal with it. I was supposed to go to work today, but I have like 45 minutes driving in this snow and ice. So give thanks I get a text message before I started out this morning, and they were like, stay home. Yeah. So now I cross back the road, I'm back on the complex. You know, them say flex in the complex. Or flex get a beating, can get a jacket. Foot of your bad na ass, boy. And not even you bad neither, not even say you bad neither. And just some man love push them nose in a certain thing. So when certain things reach them have to just know, say, I feel them think that. You see me? So you go. Yeah man, see Nissan Sentra, this you know, the big new one, nice one. This is the one where we love still. I love the Spec V version to that. You know? So if you can look on here, so this is salt. Mostly salt they sprinkle here to melt the snow. So that's why you see them a vehicle up America, you're rotten so easy. So because when you catch them time and they must mix up with snow and all of them same thing. Right, just get notice the man they scatter the snow, melt the ice. So them are the maintenance people them on the complex. See it? So you realize me have a far walk. So if you notice down there, so see them down here, so you know them numbers scatter the snow because watch this. They have to make sure maintain this snow because all the people in America are turning if them book then post money I get sued. So they have to make sure them do them do right yes right now. Because if they come to this and everybody come out and walk and sleep, they are going to get sued. So that's how the thing go in America. Yeah. This is most people who never been here, you know. Them that thing says a joy and it's a paradise and all these things. Brother, I tell you, if we just have some good money circulating away and in Jamaica, we don't need to go nowhere. Because I spend 40 years of my life down there. And me see what it want down there for people comfortable and live alright. I see me when you get this place, too much restrictions, too much problem. So these are the maintenance crew. Excuse me. How's morning? So them just in the way they would even give me a little pass. Yeah, so me I say I also kind of think that they start get freeze up, you know. See me? Also if you look like I see them a snow, I use a little ATV up around snow there. And I dash salt. Mother road. Okay. So I'm almost back home now. Yes. That's my car there, so full of snow. Even move it now. Even move it so tomorrow morning now when you're ready to go out. If it is a bit much better tomorrow, I'll have to come with a shovel to scrape the snow from around it. Okay, let me buy a new batch of put in the other day. So right away I know so I don't have a starting problem tomorrow. So you go. So now I reach back home. Yeah, I need one to see my number. Trust me. Blessed to everybody.